How can you track your employees' computer activity and productivity? This will be only one video. Um, Very easy. Come to our website, wolfeye.de. You see here. And basically, you download and install Wolfeye Remote Screen. The Wolfeye Remote Screen is a computer monitoring software that you install on each of your employees' computers, and it will share the live computer screen of your employees. Um, so you will remotely basically watch the work of the employees live from their computer screens, as if you were sitting in front of it, but without them noticing anything. And um, if desired, if you wanted, you could also save the screenshot history, but um, you must tell us and contact us for that. That's not the basic feature. How does it work? Basically, it works like this. You install it on each of your employees' computers, and we'll see for each of your employees' computer the live computer screen on a dashboard. Basically, over a URL, you will get a URL. We will password protect the URL. With your password, you will set the password yourself, and you will see for all the employees the live screen of each of your employees' computers. That's how it works. So. mm, you will be able, because you see it everything in one screen, you will be able to monitor everything that happens on each of the employees Windows computers, and um, basically um, will be able to attribute the performance for each of them. So that's it. What's the price of this? If you have a lot of more than five computer licenses, more than five computers that you monitor it with it, you only pay $50 per year per computer. So just contact us. Um, and if you were interested, we would do it like this. Please, here you can select under this URL, you can select a date and time where you would like to schedule a Google Meet session with us. In the Google Meet session, you will share your screen and we will guide you through the installation on one test computer or whatever you want to do it, and so that you are able to install it by yourself. Then you install it in the next step on each of your employees' computers, and we will set up your dashboard so that it will look like this, yeah. And also the password protection, we will enable it, set it up, everything for you. That's it. I hope